I thought I'd make a small presentation about how the governor works so that we can all be on the same page. This type of governor is called a high pressure to reduce pitch governor, which means that if you removed all the oil from the propeller, then it would go to the coarsest possible position, and then you would have to supply oil to the propeller to reduce the pitch and make it finer. So right now, you can see that there are three ports. There's one port here which is connected to the high pressure line. There's another port here which is connected to the propeller to take in oil to the propeller and bring oil back from the propeller when required. And this port is connected to the low pressure line, which is at the same pressure at the gearbox oil. So now imagine that the RPM is at the set point. So both of these ports are actually closed, which means oil is neither going into the propeller nor coming out of the propeller. But if the RPM were falling, as you can see, then the flyweights would come inside, and that would make the spool go downwards, which, as you can see, is opening this port. So high pressure oil would rush in through this and go to the propeller and make it finer. And when the propeller becomes finer, the RPM of the engine would increase. Similarly, when the RPM increases, so then the flyweights would fly out and pull the spool up, which would open this port, and oil would flow from here out to the gearbox oil and thus make the pitch coarser, which again would slow down the engine, and the engine would come back to its set point. Thank you.